Welcome back everyone, this is Peter Yusuf from IronFX with the gold market report for the 28th of May. In the gold market, the trend seems to be frustrating gold traders as little news from our previous report have been available. Monday being an idle day for US and UK markets did not help much, and the US-China trade war seems to be remaining unchanged and sides are digging in, continuing to provide uncertainty about the possible global economic slowdown as well as global trading conditions. US tariffs on Chinese imports could end up accelerating inflation in the US, forcing the Fed to act. With such a development could have a bullish reaction in the US dollar, never forgetting that the US dollar is having an inverse relationship with gold prices. Currently, gold remains in its bearish run, and we could say that it's also possible to make gains on small corrections. Moving to the technical analysis and starting with the daily chart, that seems to be a downward trend line incepted since the 20th of February, dictating gold's direction. However, one can only mention that the last three shows on the 23rd of April, 2nd and 21st of May seem to stabilize, forming a rather strong support level at $1,266, which is currently marked as S3. Should we drill down to the 4-hour chart, we see that the bullion has been moving in sideways motion since its upward movement on the 23rd of May between the 1,287 R1 resistance line and the 1,279.50 S1 support line, and currently seems to have found a comfortable support from the 100 moving average. Also, the RSI indicator on the 4-hour chart remains slightly above the reading of 50, providing little guidance. Hence, for our bearish outlook as analyzed in last week's report to change in favor of a sideways movement, we would require a clear breaking of the pre-mentioned downward trend line. Should the bulls take over, we could see gold breaking for the 1,287 resistance line and aim for the 1,299 resistance level, just before the 1,300 psychological threshold. Should R2 be broken, we could see the way opening for the 1,303 resistance hurdle, marking the highest peak of the past 1.5 months. On the flip side, should the bears take over, we could see gold breaking the 1,279.50 support line, aiming for the 1,272 support level. Should S2 be broken, we could see the gold dropping and threatening the 1,266 support barrier, which was tested twice yet held ground every time in the past 1.5 months. Should you require more info about gold, please refer to our written report. And from all of us here at IronFX, best wishes for solid trading.